Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to Wellrace channel. We are going to discuss something serious topic, which is the habit of smoking. If you are someone who smoke, this article will surely bring some changes inside you for sure. If you are not a smoker, then you can be a mediator for someone else. First, someone who smokes is not a bad person. Smoking is a bad habit, but smokers are not bad because 90% of the people who are addicted to smoking would have all started due to a small trigger. Nobody wanted to get into this habit is the first line truth. The person who convicted the crime is not one to blame, but the one who triggers him to do it so to be blamed. There are three reasons for a person to start smoking. First, cinema and media. This is the primary reason in many cases. To bring a heroism, one utility is being used is smoking. After beating 10 people, an actor smoking a cigar seems as a heroism. Saying a punch dialogue with a cigar, showing smoking as a manly symbol brings great impact among the fan base and the youngsters. Second, friends. Research has proved that 85% of smoking habits starts from free cigars given by a friend. One individual influencing other happens commonly. Third, curiosity. 15% of people try to understand or experience of smoking out of curiosity. Let's see how this habit works in individual's body. For anyone who starts smoking, the primary changes seen are coughing and headache as the body doesn't accept it. As the humans use it again and again, the chemicals in a cigarette called nicotine brings a satisfaction within him that from one cigarette to many cigarettes it increases based on the situation. In the end, it becomes a habit and an individual gets addicted. Few psychological truths about smoking. When an individual smokes, he gets a small satisfaction and relaxation as he inhales and exhales. This artificial releases of smokes gives him a tiny relaxation. Smokers love to see the smoke. That is the reason why they do not smoke inside dark rooms. Research says that individuals who do not get love and affection from mothers are more prone to smoking at young age. And it is followed when they also do not get love or affection from girlfriend or partner. People are attaching few feelings or emotions to trigger smoking as follows: smoking when bored, smoking due to anxiety, smoking when stressed and being happy as well, smoking when being alone, smoking when you feel satisfied or excited, to show off your power or to show off in a heroism. Some wanted to smoke before or after eating. Someone while taking a coffee or tea, consuming alcohol. Likewise, they create a pattern for themselves for smoking. Effects of smoking. 85% of lung cancer and 25% of sperm count reduction is due to smoking. Cigarette contains nicotine and other 60 type of toxic chemicals like acetone, acetylene, ammonia, lead, arsenic, which is used in rat killing medicine. Apart from individual damage, it also creates damage to nature as well. The smoke from cigarette is 10 times more injurious than smoke from vehicles. The impact of filter cigarette on nature has a huge impact as the synthetic sponge doesn't decompose and creates water and soil pollution. Every year, due to cigarette smokes, created nearly 3 million kilograms of toxics and greenhouse gases is released into atmosphere. Now coming to solution. First, my request to media people. In movies, you act as a doctor, politician, master or teacher and create a change in society. You are very well knew that stylish smoking scenes and action-based smoking scenes would attract fan base and youngsters. Media is great influencer for youngsters smoking addiction. As a people who are influenced mainly fall in is middle class and low class people. In cinema language it is called as B and C center fans. They tend to use their earnings on smoking. So please do not use their health and earnings for just promoting your brands. I like to remind two celebrities here. First, MGR. He avoided smoking since till the end. He lives in the heart of all the kids and adults people. Second, Jackie Chan. His movies are known for huge revenue collections beyond Hollywood movies. He is an action hero and he has been avoiding smoking scenes in his movies. He also requested youngsters to avoid smoking and inculcate good habits. These two artists had grown up on their own, struggled a lot in their life to make their own brand. Hence, they were so much social responsible and valued to their fans' life as well. When compared these two stars, current generation heroes are not at all big enough. Changes are still exist for corrective action. Please accept your mistakes in social media and request your fans to quit smoking. My second request to smokers. I am not going to ask you to quit smoking immediately because it is impossible for anyone. Alcohol consumption affects only to an individual, but smoking apart from individual, it will also affect others in the society and the environment as well. We all live in this society. You can think like it is my money, it's my body, my health, that I can do anything. You must understand one thing, that this body was created and maintained by the society and the environment. You had consumed food and water from the same society to build your body. It is also your equal responsibility to give the earth to we live to the next generation without pollution. You can still think, what a big change does it make as I smoke? Change within you. Individual change is the drive for a change of the entire world. Due to some reasons, you are now prone to smoking habit, and that is okay. The first thing that you must give up is inferiority complex and guilty feeling. When you feel like smoking, talk with your close friends or focus on your interested job or work. There are few lip movement exercises and breathing exercises which you can practice. Not as a whole on one day, but little by little you can give up on this habit, and at the same time you can get good health to yourself, your family and environment as a whole. This total understanding can help you overcome this addiction. Understanding is wisdom. As the quote says, knowing and understanding your responsibility can only bring change in you. My message for those who do not smoke: please take this message to your relatives or friends who smoke. This way you can spread this wave around your circle. Dr. Abdul Kalam says, a vow in your lifetime to try to help in bringing a change in at least one addicted person's life. Abdul Kalam's statement is one of the inspiration for me to post this video on this topic. People should tend to keep up the words and try to implement in one of our life and share with our friends. Please share your comments and feedback in comment box. Do inspire with your healthy lifestyle, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye.